Recently, Google launched the Pixel 9, but true to the fast-paced nature of the tech world, we're already looking far beyond that. Rumors surrounding the Pixel 10 and even the Pixel 11 are already creating a significant buzz in the tech community. It feels like we're skipping ahead in a series, watching it at double speed, unable to resist what's coming next. And if even a fraction of the rumors fueled by these leaks turn out to be accurate, Google's upcoming smartphones are set to evolve from being incredibly smart to downright genius-level devices. Do you remember the days when you had to download 5 different apps just to make your video look somewhat presentable? Well, it looks like those days might be coming to an end soon. The Pixel 10 is said to be introducing Video Generative AI, which could completely change the game. Think about the incredible photo editing features you already use and love, like removing unwanted objects or doing quick touch-ups. But now, these tools are expanding to video editing. It's almost as if you'll have a mini Hollywood-level editor right inside your phone, ready to help. You'll be able to trim your clips, adjust lighting for the perfect look, and even erase that awkward X from your vacation video with just a few taps. Talk about effortless editing. It seems like Google is working on a new feature called Speak to Tweak, which sounds exactly like what it promises. You'll be able to tell your phone something like, make the sky bluer, or soften the background, and just like that, your phone will make the changes for you. This feature could be a game changer for anyone looking to make quick adjustments to their photos with just their voice. Another exciting rumored feature is Sketch to Image, which might take your rough, imperfect doodles and transform them into beautifully refined images. This could be a huge breakthrough in AI-powered art, allowing even the most artistically challenged among us to create stunning visuals. It's perfect for those moments when inspiration strikes, but your drawing skills fall short. Just sketch something quick and watch as it turns into a polished masterpiece. There's this intriguing and somewhat mysterious feature referred to as the Magic Mirror. While its exact function remains a bit of a mystery, the name alone suggests something related to augmented reality filters, or perhaps even a special selfie mode that uses a smart mirror. Hopefully it lives up to the hype and turns out to be as impressive as it sounds. Underneath all this futuristic tech lies the upcoming Tensor G5 chip, which is generating quite a buzz. This chip is expected to be a real powerhouse, providing a significant boost to performance. What's even more exciting is that it will likely enable features to operate locally, meaning there's no need to wait for cloud processing to kick in. This will make everything run incredibly fast, enhancing both speed and efficiency across the board. Say hello to the impressive 4K resolution at 60 frames per second with HDR, a major leap forward from the current video standards we're used to. This is a fantastic upgrade, especially for mobile videographers and casual content creators, as it brings a whole new level of quality and smoothness to videos. Now, if the Pixel 10 had you excited, the Pixel 11 takes things to the next level, delivering exactly what was promised and more. One of the standout features of the Pixel 11 is its cinematic blur effect for video. This effect creates a beautifully soft, blurred background that gives your videos a polished, professional look, almost as if it was shot on a big screen movie camera. It's a perfect touch that elevates your footage to a new visually stunning level. But hold on, the true game changer might be the on-display night sight video feature. Currently, Google handles this type of enhancement in the cloud, which introduces delays and requires uploads, leading to slower processing times. However, the upcoming Pixel 11 could potentially revolutionize this by moving the entire process to the device itself, eliminating the need for cloud involvement. This shift would significantly speed up the process, making low-light video recording not only faster, but also much more reliable. For night owls, partygoers, or anyone who's ever struggled to capture quality footage in a poorly lit environment, this could be a total game changer, transforming how videos are recorded in low light. AI is undeniably the focal point in Google's upcoming phones, taking center stage and shaping the future of these devices. If the leaks we've seen so far are anything to go by, the Pixel phones are on the verge of transforming into something much more than just ordinary smartphones. We're looking at devices that could serve as legitimate creative tools, all packed into a sleek, portable design that you can carry around in your pocket. Of course, it's important to remember that leaks are just rumors, and things may very well change before the official launch day. However, with all the potential on the horizon, it's tough not to get excited about what might be coming. So, what's piquing your interest the most? Is it the voice-controlled editing features, the night video capabilities that promise to work wonders, or maybe you're just trying to wrap your head around what Magic Mirror could possibly be? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until then, stay tuned and take care. Bye!